Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about the how to wiring a three-way switch. Three-way switches is a more important in electrical circuits. Means these switches are used in a different or merely indicated different ways to run the necessary cables and all, and the most important ideas about the stairs means once you want to go uh, downward of a stairs, you will on the switch and you will be and on that and you will be stop it. So before I ever starting my topic, please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this, and also press bell icon to get the updated videos about technical tricks of electrical or technical knowledge about the engineerings. Not all three-way switches are the same. Choose which is configuration you want to follow by looking at the diagram provided below. If you are starting from a scratch, diagram 3 might be best place to start, but these methods can be used for interchangeable in old work. They merely indicate the different ways to run the necessary cables. Diagram 1 works within several lights fixtures shared on a common breakers, and the switches are both on a same wall. Diagrams 2. Diagram 2 works between the power is available in a ceiling but a switch box are opposite to the wall. It is often easier to run the cable up to into the ceiling light box instead between the switches. Diagram 3 works between the cases within the multiple switches in the same box, and the other switches then have a power available or can operate other lights without having to have a separate power in a run them. Diagram 4 can be useful when the light is near to the first switch box. It results in a lot of wires, so the installing a longer, larger box may be necessary. Step 2 is a turns off the power at your electrical panel before you starts a work or begin to start the work. Means you have a clearly isolate that circuit, and then you will be touch that circuit or any replacement or any troubleshooting work on it. 3 is a make sure you understand which screw terminal and which wire serves which is purpose. Below you will find the description to guide you. Step 4 is have a penalty of a 14 to 3 nm cable on a hand which has been 3 insulated wires, white, black, red plus or a buried copper ground wire. If you are connecting a 14 gauges wire, you will use a 112 instead of a 3. Following these diagrams, wires see this instruction below to new three-way switches. All white wires used as a traveler between the three-way switches show have their ends wrapped within a black electrical tape or in a plastic wire nuts. Three-way wiring diagram 1. In this example, the power in a cable enters the light box. The method of running a wire in a common when a several light fixtures shares one common breaker points to the switches both on the them cables needs to run into the light box between the switches and from a light box to the just one of these switches. Let's follow the current as a lamp in a light fixture. Step 1. The current enters into the light box on the black wire as always does. That wire is spelled within a wire in the two ropes cable that goes to the first switches between those switch and wire is spells to the wire where in the rope cable then the continuous to the second switches at the commonly terminal. If you switch it up and exist the switches on the right hand traveler terminals and on the right continue to the red wire to the back to the traveler terminal on the first switches. If their switches is also up and you will be their switches and the commonly terminal on the black wires and the two ropes cable from light switches. 5 point is a continuing down that the black wire electricity enters to the light box where it goes to the light fixture. The current will be passes through the light existing on a white neutral wire and returning to the power in a cable. A note about the color of a wire in the example of only neutral wire is a white wire in a power in a cable which is always white wires and then in the two wires attached to the light so also always white and other white wires should be colored. Three-way three-way diagram number 2. In this three-way switches wire diagram to the power in the line enter to the box but three ropes can be installed between the light box and the each switches box. The method might be used for a power available in a ceiling but the switches box are opposite to the wall. It is often easier to the cable into the ceiling light box instead of between the switches. If the current is followed. Point 1 is it comes into the light box on a black wire. Point 2 is follows the common terminal on the one switch using a colored white wire. Point 3 is it exists the switches from a traveler terminal. Point 4 is that then returns to the light box where it is a merely spells the other end wire that goes to the traveler terminal on the second switches. Point 5 it goes through that switches again existing from a common terminal and once more enter the light box where it goes to the light itself. Common point 6 is that the neutral goes from a power in a cable directly to the fixture. Three-way diagram wiring diagram 3. This time of electrician has been brought the power into the first switches through the second switches and on the switches and this is a reasonable and method capable within multiple switches in the same box to the other switches then the power have available and can operate it through the light without having to the separate power into the line runs them. The major difference of here is that the neutral from the power in a line and is taken to the fixture via the three loop and the white wire must be used to the code required that all neutral wire is a white falling current. Point number 1 it enters to the first switches box into the black wire and it's connected to the common terminal. Point 2 is if the switch is a down position, it exists in the switches on the way in wire enter to the second wire in the traveler terminal. If that switches has been down, it exists in the switches in the black common and wires and continuously to the light. Point 4 is after passing through the light fixture, the current returns to the second switches box on the white wire is the spills and other white wire in the three roofs using between the switch box and the continuously to the find switches both it has been entered and spells to the white power in a white wire back to the fuse box. Point 5 is the circuit is a complete and the lamp will be lights. Three-way wiring diagram 4. The example shows the power in a cable enter the first switches box along with the cable to the light fixture with this results in a lot of box in a carry helpful when there lights near to the box, and the larger box may be necessary contains all the wire following currents. It is entrusted to the switches box and the black wire in a common terminal. If you the switch is up and then existing the box in the red wire traveler wire continuously to the traveler terminal at the second switches. Point 3 is that if the switch is also it made up of existing the switches in a common terminal on a white colored wire and return to the first switches where is expels to the black wire in this two loops going to the light. Point 4 is the passing through the lamp. It returns on the white neutral wire in the first switches box where it dispels the white neutral within the returning to the fuse box. The circuit is a complete and the lamp lights up. Thanks for watching my video. In this video I have a completely explained about the how to wire a three-phase switches and three-way switches, and I am also in this module I have clearly explained about the four diagram of a different way of a utilization of a three-way three-way wiring diagrams. And also thanks for watching my video. Please follow these pictures and you will be successfully made this wiring diagram as you have clearly understand till to the end. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribing and support to the technical engineering. Thanks.